Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Apple Watch Series 6 and this comes up with a space grey aluminum case with a black sport band. The price of this watch is 43,900 rupees. Before unboxing this, make sure you hit the subscribe and the bell button for more videos. So come on guys, let's unbox this. So first we'll just pull off these tags and then let's look what's in the box. So here comes the watch box guys. Let's take out this strap box. We'll keep that aside. Now let's see what's there in the watch box. Let's take out this card. There are some papers inside. The first is the manual and some warranty and some regulatory stuff. So let's just take the charger out. Remove this. This is a magnetic charger which you get for your watch with a USB cable to connect it to your plug. So let's take out the watch. It has a glassy look in the front. And in the back there are some sensors. Now let's take a look at the strap box. So we'll just open it up. And then there you can see the 3 straps. This strap is the medium to large size and this one is a small to medium size. And on the top you can see the manual. It shows how to fix it to your watch. Let's take out this. We'll just keep this aside. Now I'll show you how to fix the strap into your watch. Just slide it into your watch like that and choose any one and do the same again. Now I'll show you the pairing process of the Apple Watch. Let's just turn it on. Then there you can see the Apple logo. Then now it shows you to bring your iPhone near your watch. Just bring it near your watch. And then it will pop up a message. Then click connect. Then you can set up for yourself or someone from your family. And then scan the QR code or the image shown on your watch. And then you can restore from your old watch or you can set up as a new Apple Watch. After the process is over, simply click continue. Then it says this might take a moment. Then click agree to the terms and conditions. Then it's signing into your account. Then click don't share. And under share settings, click OK. And now you can change the text size of your watch. You can make it small and large. If you want, you can also enable the bold text and click continue. If you want, you can add your passcode on your Apple Watch or you can do it later. Then it asks you to keep your watch up to date. You can update your watch manually and automatically as well. Then click continue. And again click continue under emergency SOS. Now click continue. And then you can find the clock faces. You can change it as you wish. Then finally you can see your mobile is being paired to the watch. That's it guys, your Apple Watch setup is over. Finally click OK and now you are good to go. Now go to the My Watch app in your iPhone and you can find more apps for your watch. Then if you go to the watch gallery you can find more wallpapers for your watch. At last if you go to Discover you can find new things which your watch has. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching and please give it a like if you like the content of this video.